welcome back. It's Monday today. Have a very fun-packed day. Just had a hot yoga class this morning with Robert and it was so good. I love a hot yoga class to start the week on a Monday, a full body reset. Got a quick little coffee. I had a doctor's appointment in the afternoon and now me and Lucas are gonna go enjoy the sun together. It said it was supposed to be super cloudy, so been loving this incorrect use of the weather app. It has been doing me very well. We're gonna go and explore Gastown a little bit. We're getting very excited about the move, so gonna go look at some stores, maybe get inspired for some decor. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. They've opened up a new Sephora in Kitsilano, so somehow we've ended up in here.
This is like my Sephora.
I got a stock up on my Super Glow, my favorite. Lucas, what did you get?
Oh, just some free samples.
Yeah.
I got this. I don't know what that is. I got this one.
Eyeshadow brush? Oh, that's another eyeshadow. No, lip.
And then I got this thing also. Don't really know what it's for, but I thought I could clean the shit with you know?
Yeah.
Get up in there.
Oh yeah, it is a crab. No, it's definitely a crab. Yeah. They're totally crabs. Good morning. Oh, Lilo. As you can tell, it's a very beautiful sunny day and Lucas and I are gonna take advantage and go for a little hike up to Bowen Point. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. So I'm very excited. It's so nice out. I gotta take off this long. So I'm gonna change into my hiking shoes now. Before we head up to the hike, we're gonna get raisins because apparently there's birds there that will land on your hand if you have them. They want raisins? Oh, right there.
Sultan, the Sultan's raisins.
We're about to go up. This is like an hour hike? Okay, easy peasy. Gonna see some birdies.
Doing not quite this. We're doing half of this.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Feeling it now on the hills. It's not that bad.
Where the birdies at?
Oh, they hear us. Oh, I see them.
I was thinking about it. I have a photo of a blue jay on my hand, so I know they do it. But you know you want the raisins. So pretty.
So pretty. He's really thinking about it. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's the chipmunk.
Yeah, the chipmunks are a bit dumb. Oh, wait.
Oh my god.
Hi, buddy.
Oh. Gosh, wait, I want one.
Okay. Dressed like a blue jay too, maybe they'll trust you.
The hike was so fun. Seeing all the little birds was awesome and the chipmunks. Now we are very hungry. Time for some food. So hot always. I've been on a really big affogato kick recently, and I just made some. So I'm gonna do a little taste test. Compare it to our shaved ice one from last week. That one's really good, so it's gonna be hard to top. Wait, this is actually really good. I'm not just hyping myself up right now. Lucas, I need you to try it. So you didn't have to wait 10 minutes in line for this one.
No. It looks like it might be even better too. Okay. Thorough review.
Okay. Pretty
Yeah,
good,
it's really good.
Yeah. We're having dessert before dinner because we're not very hungry. I convinced Lucas to go on another walk. Round two, so I can hit my 20,000 steps today. Just a random goal I decided to make. So we're gonna go to some falls. That's the perks about Lucas living on the North Shore, is that if you're bored, you can just go walk into the woods and find some waterfalls, I guess. Oh, there are a lot of stairs. Morning, happy Wednesday. It's been a really fun week so far. I just got home after being on the North Shore for a little bit, and I quickly got ready. I'm about to head to a workout class. Just picked up my favorite smoothie, pure protein. Oh, I'm going to a reformer class. I haven't done the machines in a little while for Pilates, so I'm excited for that. It was a very outdoorsy, packed little weekend, but I had so much fun, and it was really fun taking you along as always, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.